Standard cruise control is designed for use in continuous, flowing traffic at speeds over 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour. To activate cruise control, push the on-off button on the right side of the steering wheel. When the vehicle has reached the desired speed, push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button. A message will appear in the instrument cluster display. Release the accelerator pedal, and the vehicle will maintain the set speed. Push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button to change your speed in increments of 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour. Push and hold one of the buttons to adjust the speed continuously, then release the button to set the new speed. To pass another vehicle, you can temporarily bypass cruise control by pressing the accelerator as you normally would. When the pedal is released, the vehicle will return to the set speed. To deactivate the system, push the on-off button or tap the brake pedal. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go maintains a set distance between you and the driver in front of you without having to constantly reset your speed. To turn ACC on, push the ACC on-off button, then push Set Plus or Set Minus to engage when the desired speed is reached. The distance buttons let you change the distance between you and the driver in front of you. If there's no driver ahead, your set speed will be unaffected. But when a slower-moving driver enters your lane, the system automatically adjusts your speed to maintain the distance setting. You'll see the sensed vehicle indicator icon in the instrument cluster. The system will maintain the set distance until the driver ahead accelerates above the set speed, moves out of your lane, or until the system is manually disengaged. If the driver in front of you stops, ACC will maintain your set distance and bring you to a standstill as well. If that driver starts moving again within 2 seconds, you'll resume motion without the need for driver interaction. If ACC stops you for more than 2 seconds, you'll have to tap the accelerator pedal or hit the resume button on your steering wheel to start moving again. If the driver in front does not start moving for an extended period of time, the system will cancel, the electric park brake will engage, and driver intervention will be required. And please note, ACC may not stop you if you approach an already stopped vehicle, for example, at a stoplight, driving around a curve, or if a driver in front of you moves out of the way to reveal a stationary vehicle. Remember, ACC has limited braking ability. The driver is always responsible for collision avoidance. To deactivate ACC, push the ACC on-off button again. It's best to leave the system off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.